Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a signature to Docusign. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is head on over to docusign.com, sign into your account or create an account. Once you're here, we can go ahead and click onto where it says under welcome back, your initials, and then create your signature or change signature, or we can click on your user profile and go to my preferences. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and click on create your signature. So now what we can do is put in our name like so, tutorial is TW, and then from here it's got all different options we can use. We can use a pre-made signature if you like, or if we want to draw it, we can draw. So we can write your name in, tutorial, yada yada, and then your initials like so, or we can upload a signature too. Once we've done that, go ahead and click on create, and that's going to create that signature for Docusign.